This is how I do my laundry. Thank God for washing machine. See, this is how I do my laundry. I have to rinse it first. I will have to rinse it first, then put it inside the hair dryer. I don't just put it directly to the hair dryer without rinsing. This is the best way. The best way to do your laundry. Don't just put it directly to the hair dryer without rinsing it first. You have to rinse out the soap from the cloth. Rinse out the soap from the cloth. So we say this is stressful. What I'm doing now is stressful. It is not, but it is the best. It is the best way to wash clothes. Don't just remove it from the washing directly to the hair dryer. Rinsing first is the best. You rinse first. You rinse first before you put it inside the hair dryer. That's the best way to use this washing machine. As you can see, I'm missing it. See, I'm missing it. To rinse it first. You see this boy? You want to drain me? You want to drain me to wash clothes? Yeah. Don't pour the water away, I will beat you. I'll beat you now. Look for your body. I'll beat you. Betty. I'll beat you. Give me. Anytime I'm washing clothes, this is how this boy is always doing. He's always doing. As there's light now, you don't allow me to wash the clothes without you disturbing me. You must disturb me. You must. Give me, let me hold the hair dryer. So this is it. So that is it. As you can see, you can be doing your washing and doing your hair drying at the same time. The two can go at the same time. It does not necessarily mean you have to finish the washing before you open the hair drying. So you can do the two at the same time. As this one is working, the other one can still be working at the same time. It will make it work fast. You want to help me? See this boy, you want to help me? I'm done with the hair drying. See, clothes. Just a small hair that you just need. Everything will just dry off. As it is now, if you want to iron it, you can even iron it. See, there's no water in it. Everything is dry now. See? Washing machine is good. Who not say it's not good? You know say the person not get money. Now make kind of talk like that. Say washing machine they fade cloth. Now lie, not the fade cloth. Because the person not get money, just they try to, raise the ego up. Now make they talk say washing machine not good. It good. If you have the money, go for it. Thanks for joining me for this laundry process. Thank you. Please follow my video, follow my page, like my video, make a useful and a meaningful comment. Thank you.